This is Masha navigating the sales of 2 tickets, as we don't know where we are, but we know Liasha is 60, so we have paid about 7 quid with no idea where we're going or what it's for. So we've made it halfway. By halfway, we don't even know if halfway is halfway, but we will get there eventually. How is it pronounced?
Damogudongjingku.
Are you sure?
Yeah, something like this.
Okay.
Jinku. Damogudongjingku. What?
I guarantee that's wrong, and I'm wrong too.
Yeah?
I don't know what I'm more happy about. It's an amazing historical feature, or the fact they've randomly put a Coca-Cola vending machine on the top of this very, very steep hill. What about the drone footage? Left or right?
What?
Right is to Huinang and Huiche, or right is to Sandwiching Peak, Emperor something, and the ancient cave of Dharma.
Yeah, I think we should go this.
Kind of. Holy shit. I did not expect there's a random guy, the guy they're talking about in this cave is just like super dark and just a random guy creeping on you. Holy moly. Did the right side. Now we're on the left side. It just goes up. It's literally like straight up. I'm so fucked. We're like above the world right now, and this goes from a path to just rocks. Water break. If I fall, we are going to die. Yeah. Oh my god, it goes up still. Okay, okay. I need to see how steep this really goes. This can't be real. It keeps going. I'd like to point out that I currently have my drone, all its batteries, all its charger, my camera, all its batteries, all its tripod, my power bank, something else, a tripod, and a bottle of water. I'm so fucking dead. Still one more place to go, but this is our first stop. It's really embarrassing when you're complaining all the way up the hill and you get to the top and there is an old lady about 80 with like a walking stick and umbrella, just like, yep, this is my normal day stroll. I'm sitting here fucking dripping and dying, and she's just like, yep. The Yangtze River where we were just walking, and now we've walked, I don't know, that is where we were about an hour ago. We walked all over the top of the mountain, around, and then back on ourselves. Cheeky little break spot. Hallelujah. On the way home, officially dead, but in the first car I've ever been in China that has air conditioning on. Amazing.